In the M function only mode, again we have two programs in the one in the control box and one in the CNC, both running in parallel. And the communication between the box and the CNC is done with the M function cable. So they communicate when it's safe to start the motion and when the motion is completed on the rotary table. And the program looks like this. Instead of the dwell like the manual, you have your appropriate CNC's M code. It sends a signal to the box to activate the next line to be executed from within the box. So we enter the run program. The program is ready to go on the CNC side, and this way all of the CNC motions, the rotary table motions, will be triggered by the CNC, running parallel programs, one in the box and one in the CNC. There is no data exchange between the two controls, and you're ready to start again. It's only the M function start and finish signals. That is the M function only method.